Let's talk about Qumox wired USB Gamepad gaming controller Joypad Joystick for PC computer laptop. USB 2.0 Gamepad. Plug and play. Lightweight design. Master your games with this USB 10-button joypad for the PC. Styled after the controllers, this joypad offers the ultimate control for your favorite games. It didn't work and there was no point even refunding it because the postage would cost more than the actual product, but it's a rubbish controller and not worth the buy. Yes, your PC or laptop will find it, but come to playing a game it just does nothing, so it is rubbish, so do not buy this. USB size wasn't quite right to go in smoothly and the pad didn't even work with the PC. Not fit for purpose.